Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Tim Hortons Vanilla Cream Cold Brew. It's also called the Vanilla Dream Cold Brew. Not sure if there's a difference between the two of them, but we're the Vanilla Cream Cold Brew. As you can see, it's got the cream separated from the coffee there. Really cool. So I've actually had these when they came out. I'm now just doing a review on it, and I'll get right into this. So upon first sip, you get a lot of the creamy taste, and it tastes strongly like vanilla. I love it. It's smooth, yet still has that cold brew coffee taste, which I love. It's not for everyone because it's a little bit more bitter than normal coffee, but I find it to be delicious. Yeah, very sweet, very vanilla-y, and I like this a lot. So cold brews is not for everyone, but if you do like cold brew coffee, this is a really good version of the vanilla cream cold brew. So it's like an iced coffee, but it's cold brewed coffee, which is steeped for 16 hours, I believe, making it a little bit more bitter in its taste. The preparation is a little bit different, but I like it a lot. So just look at that mixing around there. Really cool how it all just like, I like the look of these a lot, honestly, because they look cool. And they taste really good too. I'm usually a big fan of the vanilla sweet cream cold brew from Starbucks, but this new Vanilla Dream cold brew from Tim's is pretty good. There's a lot more Tim Hortons around than there are Starbucks, so it's easier to get one of these. And the lineup at Tim Hortons isn't as crazy as the lineups at Starbucks sometimes, so it's a nice alternative to it. Same kind of taste. Starbucks obviously has a little bit sweeter vanilla, because it's a vanilla sweet cream, whereas this is just vanilla cream or the vanilla dream, whatever they go by. But it's pretty good. So I'd give the Vanilla Cream Cold Brew by Tim Hortons a 7.5 to an 8 out of 10. It tastes very good. It's nice and sweet. Not as sweet as some other vanilla cream cold brews, but it's sweet enough and it gets the job done. It tastes like coffee. That's the most important thing about vanilla or any cold brew, any coffee in general. So I like it. It's got a cool look to it too, and that's important because if you walk in with one of these fancy things, people think you're balling out, when in fact it's just a cold brew. Nothing too crazy. So yeah, I like it. Go try it out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.